Class 11th, Chapter 1. Aims and Objectives of Physical Education. First is organic aspect of development. The first step of physical education to establish physical fitness in two ways. A. The body as the eye can see it is kept in shape through regular exercise such as jogging, walking, engaging in various sports, and also through maintaining correct posture and eating an healthy diet. And B. The subsequent strengthening of the internal organs and muscles, which in turn boosts the immune system and protects from digestive disease. Second is neuromuscular aspect of development. Physical movement is involved in the greater share of our waking hours. We may feel that we do not do much while lying on the bed and reading a novel. Even the small task of flipping through pages requires the nervous system to work with the muscular system. Sports and games such as tennis, badminton, boxing, cricket, etc. Next is mental aspect of development. Mental aspect of development. Sports and games requires mental alertness and concentration. There are rules and regulation to follow, techniques to explore and execute, the new tricks to discover. The players learn how to face tough challenges and find within themselves a sense of self reliance. Next stage, emotional aspect of development. Emotional aspect of development. Adolescence is portrayed as a rough period in literature and movies, and rightly it is the age of conflicts. Teenagers suddenly find an array of emotions to deal with, for example, jealous, fear, loneliness, love, anger, pleasure, etc. Next is social aspect of development. One of the most positive outcomes of physical education is the growth of social skills. Although this may not be immediately visual, it is a human nature to seek the society of fellow human beings. Next, career option in physical education. Career option in physical education. The following shows a basic structure of academic education in physical education required in India in order to be eligible for a serious and fruitful career in the field. Number 1, teaching. Teaching physical education is just as rewarding as instructing students in other disciplines. The teacher has the benefit of imparting both academic knowledge and physical health. However, the skill career is still its nascent stage in India. Like middle school physical education teacher, high school physical education teacher, senior secondary school physical education teacher, college and universities sports director. Second is coaching. Coaching those who are already armed with the basic education qualification also have the option of becoming coaches by first obtaining specialized training in whichever field of sports they are passionate about. Coaching is slightly different from teaching as it places deeper focus on the practical side of things. Personal trainer with increased awareness of health issues and appreciation for healthier lifestyle. More people are willing to take out time from their daily routine to devote of physical fitness. Gyms and weight control clubs are opening up in the many corners of the country. Next is professional sports person. A skilled player always has the option of becoming a full-fledged professional sports person. See, and he wins colleagues or the country and earns high salaries from endorsement and victories. Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, etc. Next stage is sports officiating and umpiring. Without sports official and umpires, sports competition and events cannot operate successfully. They maintain rules and regulation and ensure that the games and carried out in the fair and professional manners. Next is sports administration. Like sports industries as a whole in a business, the need for trained individuals is growing to run and manage it since sports administration is carried out by both public and private sectors. Penalty of college and universities offer courses related to physical education. Directors of sports are also appointed to see through sports programs. Next is working at Sports Authority of India (SAI). The Sports Authority of India offers range of job opportunity for those prepared to take on the challenges and levels of pressure. Some of the assets they look for in their senior officers are knowledge of games and sports, ability to prepare sports policies, budgets and guidelines, ability to plan and execute sporting activities, coordination of activities within the organization in collaboration with the staff. Next is sports medicine.